Hi, this tutorial is going to take you through creating a Thinglink, just the very basics of Thinglink. So you're going to want to create a Thinglink with at least 5 different tags on it. The first thing I guess we should talk about is getting your picture for the background. Now the thing about Thinglink is that you can't copy and paste pictures into it, and you also can't get the image address and put it in that way. You actually have to download the images you want to your computer and then upload them into Thinglink. So here is my suggestion to you. On your desktop, I would create a folder. So right click and then a new folder and call it like Aztecs or Inca or Maya or whatever you're doing your project on. Okay? And all your pictures can be saved into there. Then you're going to want to go and you're going to want to search for a picture. So type what you're searching for, go to images. We've done this before. And one suggestion to make sure you get an image that works well is you might want to search for an image that is large in size. This really only matters for your background picture, not the rest of them. So if you get a picture that's too small, it might be blurry when it's used to fill up your background. So the way you can get a large image is you go to the tools and then size and then pick large. And all of these pictures should be high quality images. Okay, so let's say I'm doing Machu Picchu. I'm going to click on this picture and I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as. And then I just need to find my folder and I can save it right to here. And now my image is saved to this folder. Now, if you're interested in doing a collection of pictures like I did for your background, you would go to your Google Drive and create a drawing, a Google drawing. We've used this several times before. And then you would create your collage of pictures. I put a background on, I put some other pictures on there. Once you create your background, you get it how you like it, you're going to go to File, Download. And you want to download it not as a PDF, you want to download it as a JPEG image. Now it drops it right down here to my, bar here. I think if I make this smaller, my picture is right here, I can just drag it and drop it into the folder. So now I should have in here, I have both my pictures. Okay, so any other pictures that you want to include, you can save them to that folder. So let's go ahead and take a look at Thinglink. So to get to Thinglink, you go to thinglink.com. It automatically logs in for me, so I can't really show you how to do that. But you should be able to log in with your Google login. So the same username and password you use to log into your computer. And it should take you here, and you shouldn't have any images yet unless you've used this. So all you do is you're going to go from here, you're going to go to create, and then you're going to want to create with an image. And then you drag and drop your photo here, or you hit upload and find your picture and then, or your folder, and then do this. And then you hit continue. And there you have your background picture in. Now adding a tag is fairly simple. You just click here, add tag, and it places one here for you. So you want to look at the kind of tag you want to add. I think most of them you'll do is text and media, so you can click on that. Okay, so you can give you can change your icon here. You can pick any of these icons they have. I think once you click on one, you can also then select the color. There's also at the bottom a way to upload your own little symbols. You can pick your layout, so how you want your picture and your text to show. So this could be your style, this could be your style. I'm going to go with this one for here. Okay, and once you choose your layout, then you'll be able to add your words and your pictures. So this one I'm going to call sundial. is my title. And then here I would give a description of my sundial, you know, put all my text in. You might be typing a fair amount, some of your details. Okay. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your picture. So to add your media, a picture, or you know, you can also add video clips and things like that. But we're going to stick with pictures for this. You can hit this upload button here, and then you find the picture that you saved to your folder here, and there we go. So I've got a title for this tag, I've got the text that I want in there, and I've got the image. And that's basically it. Then I can hit done, and I can move this tag to wherever I want. You can play around with the tags quite a bit. I think you can even play around with the size of them and the look of them. So, and you can also play around with other kinds of tags. These kinds of tags, the text and media and adding images, will probably be our basic kind of tag, but you're welcome to play around with some of the features, especially if you have time to do that. One other place to take a look is you can look at the settings, and you can play around in here with some of the different color schemes and what some of these different things do, which I honestly can't remember, but you can play around with those if you would like. And that's basically it for Thinglink. So first thing you want to do is find your background picture, save it to your desktop or save it to a folder. Go to thinglink.com and log in with your Google login, and then you'll create a new Thinglink. Create a new Thinglink, that's an image Thinglink. Upload the picture you want, and then once you get there, you're ready to add your tags. And that is it. Good luck, and I hope you have fun with Thinglink.